you were looking at a lot of job boards. Why did you decide, like you already had a PPO, right, from your internship? So why were you looking for a job change?
So one of the major reasons was that I wanted to work in a product-based company because of the like having one product that I can work on, and also like having something challenging. And like I said, I was interested in problem solving from the start. So I was looking for some work that is interesting and where I can engineer solutions. So that was one of the reasons, and like secondary reason would be obviously getting a higher pay.
Hi everybody. We have Anurag here with us. Anurag was recently placed in Gamesberry at 15.3 LPA. So in today's video, we will be listening to him, his journey, and how he was able to land this package. Right. So Anurag, let's start with your background. Why don't you tell us where are you from, which college you went to, and when you were deciding to do your degree, like how did you decide? If you did engineering, why did you choose that? How did you decide that?
So hi guys, I am Anurag. I am from Dehradun. So I'll start with why I picked BTech and computer science. So like initially it was mostly following what others do, like taking science in 12th class and preparing for JEE, trying to get into a good college. So like that was the initial reason. Then I did not score very well at that time in JEE. So like I took a private college in Dehradun. So like when I started to read computer science, problem solving was something that really interested me. So like from my second year itself, I was really interested in DSA and taking part in contests, etc. So like I also have a night badge in LeetCode. So that was initially what I did. Then in later years, I also started working on a little bit of projects, mostly in React and OneStack. So after in like third year, we had our placement seasons going on, and I did. Though I was placed at around October, so it was pretty early. Some companies had joined before that also. But the thing is, in private colleges, there are a lot of people, and it's not easy, even if you are good in technical skills. Sometimes it's like there are just not enough positions. So initially, I was placed at Optimus in October, and I interned there for around 9 months. Then like I was also active in communities where there are multiple job postings, etc. So that's how I found out about AQ. I took part in.
So sorry to cut you here, but I would like to pause you here. Thank you for getting us started and like telling us that you started DSA practice from second year itself, right? And you do have night badge in LeetCode as well. So this already shows that yes, you were already thinking about it. You were already setting up yourself for success. So tell me, how did you know in second year itself that you had to do these things? You had to go with DSA, you had to solve problems. So was the guidance given by your college, or how did it happen?
I think it was mostly YouTube and reading posts about how product-based companies offer you so much money, and it was like primarily what they asked. It was mostly DSA, so that's how I got to know.
Got it. And why did you choose OneStack? Was it because of your placement, or why?
So it was because it was the most trending at that time, and my primary source of learning was at that time was YouTube only. So like most of the projects there were mostly OneStack.
Understood. So you knew for product base you wanted to go for, you had to master DSA, and then a lot of YouTube based opportunities also in the market were in OneStack. So you went ahead and you started building your projects for that. Got it. So for your first company, you have 9 months of experience already. I'm pretty sure that has helped you in landing here at Gamesberry, right? So why don't you tell us, before joining your internship and now when you have worked in the industry, what's the difference, right? sometimes people don't realize that once you join the industry, it changes significantly. So what was before and after, if you can help us with that?
So before in your college, you are not really focusing on like little things like code quality and having a good design. You are mostly focused on getting a thing done and getting a product that looks like something that you want to achieve. But when you are in a company, you have to take care of a lot of little things. You have to make sure that other developers are able to read and understand your code. You are not just alone. Also, like if you are in a client facing job, you also have to handle the clients, and this will also help you in your interviews. Like in my current organization, I learned a lot about design patterns and interfaces, etc., which are not focused on when you are in college or learning from, let's say, YouTube. So that has helped me.
Got it, understood. Now let's come to your journey. You were looking at a lot of job boards. Why did you decide, like you already had a PPO, right, from your internship? So why were you looking for a job change?
So one of the major reasons was that I wanted to work in a product-based company because of the like having one product that I can work on, and also like having something challenging. And like I said, I was interested in problem solving from the start. So I was looking for some work that is interesting and where I can engineer solutions. So that was one of the reasons. And like secondary reason would be obviously getting a higher pay. And so
Got it. But primarily it was driven from second year problem solving, then working for a product, building that product, having greater impact. Absolutely. Okay, so now let's come to AccioJob, right? Like, how did you discover us, and then what was your journey like? Like, you must have, if you are, were you currently in Dehradun back then? You must have traveled for this, right? For the job drive, or did you attend the Dehradun drive only?
So at that time, like my internship was at Noida, so this time it was pretty close by, and I found out about it through online portals.
Got it. You found through online portal. Got it. So what was your journey with AccioJob? Did you apply for any other jobs as well, or was this the first one you applied for?
Yeah, so like I had applied for 2 or 3 jobs before this also, and some of the tests I missed, and some I attended, but so this was the one I settled with.
Got it. Understood. So let's talk about GamesPerry, right? Like, let's talk about the interview process. Once you cleared the assessment at Noida Center, once you were there and you cleared it, how was your interview process? What questions were asked? How many rounds?
So like GameBerry is a gaming studio, so their most focus was on designing like low level design. There were 3 rounds after the OA, 2 technical rounds, and the last one was HR. Both of the technical rounds focused mostly on LLD, so in both of them I had one design question, and we had to build up upon that during the whole interview.
Got it. Understood. Okay. And when is your joining now?
So like I'll be joining just next Monday on the 7th.
7th. Okay. And if you're comfortable sharing, what's your current package?
So my current so like I had a PPO, so it was 9 LPA, although I was an intern there still.
Got it. So 9 to 15, good jump, right? Just because you had the opportunity and you had the vision ki yes, I want to go and do something like that. Got it. Understood. Okay, Anurag, thank you so much for sharing your journey, right? Really, really helpful. I'm pretty sure people who are starting off in their college, they would know that it's time to take career seriously. It's time to put in the hard work, because the numbers, the CTC package 3, 4, it's very average, and even that is difficult. But if you want something like 15 as you have gotten, you have to put in a hard work, and it's not overnight. It's years of hard work, lot of experience, being aware and being at it, right? Thank you so much, Anurag, again for sharing your journey. One last question I ask everybody is like, if you had to describe hacker jobs role? I know it's very small in your case, but what would that be? Like, how would you describe hacker job in one word or sentence?
So I wouldn't say it was small. I would say it was pretty big, because you can skill yourself, but what if you do not have the opportunity to present your skills? And I think IQ has definitely given me a chance there to showcase my skills. So I am like really grateful to IQ for that. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm really happy like we were able to help you. I hope you are able to, help a lot other skilled students who have worked hard for so many years and help them with great job opportunities as well. All right. Thank you so much.